Hi to everyone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install operating system in Oracle VirtualBox. So in this tutorial, I'm going to install Ubuntu operating system in my VirtualBox. So first of all, you need to download a VirtualBox from virtualbox.org. So go to virtualbox.org. So here go to download menu. So here you can download as per your operating system. So right now I am using Windows 7. So I need to download this VirtualBox for Windows host. If you have Mac OS, you can download this OS X host VirtualBox. If you have Linux, you can download this, and if you have Solaris, you can download this. So download this software VirtualBox for Windows operating system and install in your Windows operating system. So I have already installed. So once you install this VirtualBox, you can once you open this software, you can see the screen like this. So here you need to select new. So right now I am going to install Ubuntu operating system. So type Ubuntu. So once you type, you can uh, check the version list. I mean, you can select according to your ISO image file. So I have a 64-bit ISO file, Ubuntu operating system. So I am selecting right now. I am selecting 64. If you have a 32-bit operating system, so you can select Ubuntu 32-bit. So I have a 64-bit. If we don't find a list, I mean Ubuntu 64-bit option, you can find my tutorial playlist, I mean VirtualBox playlist. You can check how to bring a 64-bit Ubuntu operating system in this version list. You please check in my playlist, VirtualBox playlist. So I'm selecting 64-bit and next. So here you need to give option for memory size. It's nothing but RAM size. So I have 4 GB RAM. So in this 4 GB I am allocating 1 GB amount of size to memory, I mean RAM size, and click on next. And here I'm by default I need to select create a virtual hard disk now. So in this my local hard disk, I mean in my local hard disk I'm creating a virtual hard disk. This is the option for creating virtual hard disk in your hardware. So I'm selecting create. So I select next. So I'm giving dynamic allotted, and here you can give a size of the disk. So I am selecting 32 GB and create. So everything is done. So now our system is ready. Now we need to mount our ISO file in Ubuntu operating system. So right click on Ubuntu and go to settings, and here you need to go to storage and click on this empty. So here you need to select a virtual box, I mean ISO file. So click on that and select choose virtual optical disk file. So here I need to select my virtual ISO file, I mean ISO file. So I'm selecting Ubuntu 14.10 and click on OK. So now everything is done. We have created a new account, I mean new process, and we have selected ISO file. Now the third process is now we need to install Ubuntu operating system in our VirtualBox. So for that, select the Ubuntu option and click on start. Yes, it is. So now installation process starts. So if you are getting any error message like uh, some error message, it will come. That error message. For that, I have created a video tutorial. I'll show you. Go to Ubuntu YouTube, to text Siragal, playlist, and here it is, VirtualBox playlist. So here, if you find any error message like this, kernel requires an x86 x64 CPU but only detected an i68 CPU in VirtualBox. If you are getting any error message like this, you please follow my this tutorial and resolve that problem. So right now for me there is no error. So yes, it is. So if you want to, if you don't want to install, for example, if you don't want to install, you want to try Ubuntu. I mean, you want to check the Ubuntu. For that, you can click try Ubuntu. Right now, I need to install Ubuntu, so I'm click on Ubuntu. So for that, what you need to do is you just disable your internet connection, because it will install I mean bit of data, I mean bit of files in your system, operating system. Right now you don't want to install, so you just disable, or you don't want to select this option. If you select this option, it will install all the third-party software. I don't want that right now, so I just unselect and click continue. And here it will ask option erase disk install Ubuntu. So this will delete all your programs, document, file for music and any other file in your operating system. For example, if in your hard disk, if already the Ubuntu operating system is available, by this option it will delete the existing one and it will install the Ubuntu. So it will delete the existing file, all your files from your Ubuntu operating system, and it will reset your. I mean, it's nothing but a fresh copy of your Ubuntu. So I'm selecting this and install now. If you continue listed below, okay, nothing. It will take little bit time. Yes. So here you need to select your country. So I am selecting Kolkata and click on continue. So by default English. If you want any keyboard layout, you can select. And here I need to give my system name. So I'm giving Tech Siragal. So I don't want Tech Siragal VirtualBox. So I'm giving Tech Siragal. And here you need to give your password. So here I can select two options, login automatically and require my password to login. So if you select login automatically without password, it will enter. I mean it will enter in your system, and if you select require my password to login, so it will ask password while logging. So click on continue. So yes, it is. So it will take time, little bit time it will take, around 15 to 20 minutes of time it will take to install. So right now everything is done, installation process is done. So installation is complete, you need to restart the computer in order to use new installation. So click on restart now. So right now your system is restarting. So you need to click on OK. You can click enter button. So right now your system is rebooting. So it will take a little bit time for initial process. Yes, it is. Right now it's entering. Yes, it is. So enter the password which you entered while installing time. Yes, it is. So we have installed our Ubuntu operating system successfully in our Oracle VirtualBox. So this is the method for installing any operating system in your VirtualBox. You can select Windows 8, Windows 10, whatever it is. So you, based on the selection should be, it should be valid. Well, for and first step, I've selected version file name as a Windows 7 operating system. That is very important steps. So I'm going to say here, after click on new, here you need to select proper version name. So this is a very important step. Don't forget to select the proper version name. So yes, it is. So here now we installed our Ubuntu operating system in VirtualBox. So this is the method. So in next tutorial, I'll show you how to how to get full screen of this Ubuntu operating system in VirtualBox. Right now, it is very small screen. In next tutorial, you can find tutorial in my playlist. So there I will show you how to bring full screen for this Ubuntu operating system in VirtualBox. So thanks for watching video. Subscribe my channel for